All right. So again, if you just showed up, you're going to get this sheet out. I'm going to give you some instructions on how you're to complete and fill out your flashcards. What you're going to do, get this sheet out, and you're going to write down what I write down on the sheet, and then you're going to you can highlight. I would highlight if you can based on what I highlight. Or if you don't have a highlighter, use other means to help indicate what it is you're supposed to add to the flashcards. Okay, so first, we're going to just write flashcards here. And then you're going to write number one. It's not going to come up first. You're going to write number one, cervical plexus. So write a number one in front of the cervical plexus. It eventually becomes numbered. Okay, and then, so this is your first flashcard. One side's going to say cervical plexus. And the other side is going to be where it's highlighted, is just going to indicate the nerve level. So C1 through C5. That's all that's needed on that first flashcard. Cervical plexus on the back side, C1 through C5. Next is brachial plexus, number two. This is your second flashcard. And then highlighted in yellow, again, front side is brachial plexus, back side is C5 to T1. Third flashcard, don't write lumbosacral, that's wrong. It's going to end up being lumbar. So lumbar plexus is the third flashcard. And the back side of it is L2, T12 to L4. And then your fourth, this becomes highlighted a little bit later, okay? So just, you can highlight it now. So whatever you highlight or indicate, if it means you star, give different icons, you can do that. So I put green lumbar plexus. Eventually this here, lumbar plexus will turn to color green. So T12 to L4 is the lumbar plexus. Sacral plexus is L4 to S4. And then that is highlighted here on the screen in pink. Five is peripheral nerves. Upper extremity. I would try to write it smaller. If you don't have space on your sheet, it's fine. You can use a different sheet, obviously, to write all of this down, or the backside, whatever you prefer. It's easier for me to just write it on this sheet because I don't have a split screen option to show you this particular diagram, the drawing that you completed, and then the flashcard list. So peripheral nerves, upper extremity. That's the front side. And then all the nerves that are highlighted here in yellow are the nerves you're going to write on the back side of that flashcard. So your peripheral nerves upper extremity is the front of flashcard number 5. And then your list of the nerves that you've been provided will be on the back side of flashcard number 5. Peripheral nerves lower extremity. Highlighted in a darker, almost like a purple shade. And then you have the nerves down here that you're going to see lower extremity, sciatic, tibial, common fibular. All 3 of those nerves are considered peripheral nerves, lower extremity. So that will be the backside of that flashcard. Peripheral nerves, lower extremity, front side of the flashcard. Last, bottom 3 nerves here. And I probably could have highlighted here instead. Do that later. So you can highlight these 3 nerves. It's what I did up here. I just realized that I highlighted the chart instead, which is fine too. All right, and then 7, let me go down here. If you look down here on the chart, flashcard number 7 is axillary. That's the front. Let me go back. You can see the numbers start to populate here. So the front side is axillary. The back side are your muscle and your action. So just write axillary nerve, and the back side put muscle and action. You can write muscle and action if you like, or you can just write the deltoid and teres minor, for example, and then in a different area to the right side of the card, you can write shoulder abduction, shoulder external rotation, so that you know that deltoid and shoulder abduction go together, and that teres minor and shoulder external rotation go together. So that's 7. Then 8 is musculocutaneous. You see the 8 come down. Radial is 9. Median is 10. Ulnar is 11. Sciatic is 12. Tibial is 13. And common fibular is 14. And then if I just add this real quick, let me just mark this up so it's congruent with the top. Highlight sciatic, tibial, and common fibular. Now there are plenty of more lower extremity peripheral nerves. I only want you to learn the 3. Okay, so that's what you're to perform and complete for the 14 flashcards.